Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. I'm here with Ryan from Ryan's Plumbing. Mate, we've worked together for how many years now?
We've come up at least 10 years.
10 years now, but you've been installing heaters with your dad for
20 years.
20 years, holy crap. But today was your first time you've ever installed a insulated flue kit.
Yeah, that's right.
Now that you've done one, how do you find them?
Oh, really good.
So with installing this compared to a normal triple skin flue kit, the processes are pretty well the same, aren't they?
Yeah. Once you wheel the heater in and everything, you set it all up, get your hole in the spot where you got to go.
And you know it's the right height.
Yeah.
At 185 mil,
Yeah.
Can't get that wrong.
But once you do that first cut and get your starter length all sorted, definitely speeds up from there.
I love the fact that that starter length just sits on the flue.
Yeah, it makes it really stable.
Not having to hold it, isn't it?
Yeah. Having the bracket inside the roof with the full 360 degree, picking up any angle, definitely makes it easy.
Well, really impressed with the level of care you put on these sort of job sites, mate. That's why I love recommending you for doing our work.
Thanks.
So that's really good. But what got me was the flue height. So when you put the cowl on the roof and we did that measurement, we were, oh God, that was so tight. Totally. And under normal circumstances, if you read it, wouldn't we? We wouldn't have.
Yeah, you really struggle to get that extra little bit.
So to get that extra half length on it, so we got our 3 metres clear of the ridge and we're 600 above the other ridge, normally, how would you do that?
Normally use harnesses and great deal of difficulty.
And that took all of what, 30 seconds?
Yeah, 30 seconds. It really improved the whole safety aspect of it, trying to get up that high.
Yeah, well, there's, as you and I were talking before, safety is a big thing on a job site.
Massively, yeah.
Accessing that cowl at that height is just incredible.
Yeah, it's very dangerous to sort of access it any other way.
Would you recommend this flue kit?
Yeah, it's a really good bit of gear. Especially being such a smaller diameter, getting into tighter spaces is going to make a huge difference.
Brilliant. No, all right. Were you nervous today?
A little bit, yeah, just something a bit different, but always up for trying new technology and different ways of doing things.
So guys, if you're in Melbourne, you need a really good wood heater installation. Ryan from Ryan's Plumbing, 20 years experience, you can't go wrong. But if you're looking for a wood heater, you obviously got to check out pivotstove.com.au. But this flue kit is available through any of our dealers right around Australia. So if you're on a job site and you're concerned about safety, check out the Room Sealed Flue Kits, get a good plumber to put the job in, and you can't go wrong.